Good evening, dear teachers. This is Mebon Lingdo, the president of KGH SATA. Tomorrow is the beginning of a new day, a new dawn. For 5 years, we have been waiting for a change. We have been waiting for that promise. We have been waiting to be at par as equals with the other government teachers of the state. For 5 years, we have been denied. For 5 years, we have been in a fight. In 2019, a promise was made at Malki Ground by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, where he said that he will make things right. We have been waiting, we have been patient, and our patience has run out. So dear teachers, today I'm here to remind you once again that tomorrow is one of the biggest days in your life. It is a day where you will represent you, where you will stand up for you, and you will march for you. Do not wait for someone else to do the job that has been given to you. Do not wait for others to go and fight in the battlefield while you sit at home, being comfortable, and wait for the fruit of someone else's hard work. I request you to come and join us tomorrow at Malki Ground. Let's make history. Let's change the things that we have been waiting for so long. And tomorrow, let us tell the whole world that teachers have dignity. Teachers have the power, and teachers can make things right on their own for themselves, irrespective of whether the government is blind, deaf, or mute. Let our voices be heard, and let us march forward until we get what we deserve. Thank you.